Hi, this is Dr. Bhairavi from Skin Health Foundation. I am a dermatologist and I'm the medical director of Skin Health Foundation, Chennai. I work a lot on pigmentation and today we are going to talk about body pigmentation. As a dermatologist, I deal with a lot of hyperpigmentation and this is a very common condition that we want to treat at our center. But hyperpigmentation on the face, or what we call as facial melanosis, is something very common. As I say, it can be melasma, post-inflammatory pigmentation, it can be lentigines or freckles, and so on. But what about the body? The body pigmentation is very different from all these conditions I mentioned. Body pigmentation can be, you can actually categorize it. You have something in the flexural areas like the neck region, underarms, inner thighs, the groin region, and of course the knees and elbows are so difficult to treat. These body pigmentary conditions are very different from what you see on your face. Body pigmentation seen on your knees and elbows are more because of friction, what we call as frictional melanosis. Basically, sports activities, wherever clothes are falling onto your knees and elbows, and any kind of friction on these areas leads to pigment incontinence. Most of the time, your pigment cells which are present on the epidermis, and they are pertained only to the epidermis. But pigment can fall into the dermis, which is the second layer of your skin. In simple, the pigment cells which are present in the first layer of your skin can actually leak pigment into the second layer of skin, causing pigment incontinence and pigmentation on your knees and elbows. The other problem is having pigmentation in your very intimate areas, whether it is your underarms, inner thighs, basically the groin region. These are areas where there is of course friction, but shaving and any form of hair removal can also lead on to pigmentation. It's not only this. Hormones play a major role, and of course there is a lot more, or what we would say in brown skin or Indian skin, the pigment distribution is a lot more in all of these intimate areas. So what is the solution for hyperpigmented intimate areas or your sensitive areas? Well, we have one amazing solution for this for all your delicate areas. Here I have the Pigmentbio sensitive area. This is a product that combines depigmenting agents along with anti-inflammatory agents. Well, these ingredients are safe, effective even for your more delicate, external, sensitive, intimate areas. One of the most important reasons why we may pigment easily, whether it's on your face or even all of these intimate areas which are hyperpigmented, is because of inflammation. Now, inflammation can be in any form, but it's not just inflammation. We also have to look into the barrier function of your skin. It's about addressing inflammation as well as the barrier function of your skin. Well, the pigment biosensitive area has both of this. It has anti-inflammatory action, depigmenting action, as well as calms down your skin and works on your barrier function. Soothing skin and reducing inflammation is key to helping the skin to strengthen its barrier role and stay healthy. The laminaria as well as the or golden seaweed extract is rich in vitamin A, E and lipids. The pigment biosensitive areas has a combination of all of this to soothe and reduce inflammatory reactions that can cause hyperpigmentation. The active ingredients chosen specifically for their lightening and soothing properties are, well, this particular product has a combination of pigment lightening effect and it also strengthens skin barrier. Andrographolide and lysine acylate both reduce the production of melanin by inhibiting parts of the melanogenesis process. With less melanin produced, the skin is less pigmented. It also has licorice root which inhibits melanin production. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, further helping to reduce pigmentation. Now you may have few questions about this product. Does it absorb quickly? Well, yes. 97% of women who tested the product assert that the cream penetrates quickly into the skin and you can apply your antiperspirant immediately and get dressed without any trouble. So what is the texture like?
Well, it has a non-greasy, non-sticky texture which is very pleasant and fresh. It can be particularly satisfying after shaving or waxing. 94% of women who tested it enjoyed the sensation of freshness when applying it. 100% of them liked the soft feeling of the skin after application. There's another important question. Can I use Pigmentbio sensitive areas if I'm out in the sun? Yes, you can. So continue using it when you're outside. Be sure to apply a sunscreen product on your hyperpigmented areas. Now, how do you apply this product? What is the protocol for this product? Well, you have to cleanse the area where you want to apply and also do a unified application of the pigment biosensitive in your intimate areas, and of course protect it using a sunscreen.
So I guess we have a great solution for sensitive area hyperpigmentation, or what we call as localized hyperpigmentation. This is a product that is safe, effective even for the external, intimate, delicate areas. Remember that using a product like this needs to be on a continuous process, and it's a prescription grade product. Ask your dermatologist about this amazing, simple and easy way to take care of hyperpigmentation in your sensitive areas.